Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the simple process of disabling message sounds on the WhatsApp PC app, especially with the latest update. If the notification sounds are becoming a bit too distracting, follow these easy steps to create a quieter workspace. First, let's open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now that you have the app open, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to access your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. What we want to focus on is the notifications section. Click on it to view all your notification preferences. Here comes the final step. In the notifications section, you'll find the option for message sounds. To disable them, simply toggle off the setting for message notifications. This will ensure that you won't hear any sound alerts for incoming messages, giving you the peace and quiet you need while you work or browse. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message sounds on your WhatsApp PC app. Now you can enjoy a more focused environment without those distracting notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.